Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your work and play experience with a monitor that defies conventions? The LG Smart Monitor Swing 32U889SA-W 32-inch 4K. This stunning device is a game changer, offering seamless flexibility and powerful performance. With its 32-inch 4K UHD IPS touchscreen, you'll enjoy vibrant and detailed content, thanks to up to 95% DCI, P3 color, and 350 nits brightness. The touchscreen allows for easy and intuitive control, making it a joy to navigate and interact with your content. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its innovative design and exceptional performance. One of the standout features is the rolling stand with a hidden adapter, which provides smooth and stable mobility, while keeping cables neatly concealed. The monitor's 360-degree adjustability and wheeled base make it effortless to move and adjust, allowing you to work or play from any angle. The WebOS operating system also enables you to manage home office tasks without a PC and enjoy seamless entertainment, making it perfect for both work and play. The LG Smart Monitor Swing also boasts 3 USB-C ports, which allow you to connect, charge, and transfer data, while delivering power up to 65W, providing seamless support for your laptop and other devices. The 2 HDMI ports offer even more connection versatility, making it easy to connect multiple devices. Whether you're working on a project, watching a movie, or playing a game, this monitor delivers stunning clarity and smooth performance. With its exceptional flexibility and innovative features, the LG Smart Monitor Swing is the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their work and play experience, and with its well-reviewed reputation, you can trust that you're making a great investment. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.